bum, bum. Hello, students, parents, brothers, sisters, everyone helping each other. Students, I'm here to help, and you can improve your English. You can learn English. If you've got any loved one that you want to help with their language, let's continue. Lesson 3. All right. So, use your fingers as well. It will help with your memory. Ch for cheese. Ch for cheese. Th, th, th for thumb. Th for thumb. B is silent. Sh for ship. Sh for ship. W for wheel. W for wheel. Qua, qua, qua for queen, qua for queen. K, k for chicken, k, k for chicken. F, f for phone, f for phone. Yeah, for ring, for ring. N for not, so your k is silent here. N for not. Your g is silent here. N for gnome. N for gnome. R for right. R for right. E for heel. E for heel. U for book. This one is u. U for book. U. This one is your longer u. U for boot. U for boot. So u for book. U for boot. This one, U. U for stew. U for stew. And U for glue. U for glue. So practice. Let's go through them one more time. Ch for cheese, th for thumb, sh for ship, w for wheel, qu for queen, k for chicken, f for phone, n for ring, n for not, n for gnome, r for right, e for heel, u for book, u for boot, u for stew, and u for glue. Students, practice until you can say these clearly. All right. Help each other, friends, family, help each other. Guys, I'm going to pause and continue with the next bit. Bum, bum, bum. And with the power of my lovely little cell phone, I'm back. All right. I for pie. I for pie. Oi for oil. Oi for oil. Oi for boy. Oi for boy. Two are the same. Sound the same. Oi for oil. Boy. Oi for boy. O for toe. O for toe. O for boat. O for boat. O for toe. I know. Good luck. O for bow. O for bow. Ow for cow. Ow for cow. Ow for sound. Ow for sound. For germ. For germ. For surf. For surf. For girl. For girl. All for ball. All for ball. Or for or. Or for or. Sorry, I pulled that a little bit. O for paw. O for paw. O for sauce. O for sauce. And R for car. Okay, don't worry too much about understanding the correct sounds. For now, practice making the sounds. So watch this video, listen to it, and say, repeat. I for pie, oi for oil, oi for boy, o for toe, o for boat, o for bow, ow for cow, ow for sound, for germ, for surf, for girl, all for all, or for or for paw, o for sauce, R for car. Okay, students, we have one more. You will learn. Just put them in your notes. Make sure you can read and make sure you can actually pronounce them. Cool? Bum, bum, bum. All right, let's continue. Last one, guys. Please write all of these in your book and practice them. Say them till you can say them clearly. They're really important, especially, well, they are important. Please learn them. A for play. A for play. A for play. Again, A for rain. A for rain. A for rain. Like head and bread. For bread. For bread. E for beach. E for beach. Ear for ear. Ear for ear. I for light. I for light. I for light. For nature. For nature. For creature. For nature. Air for air. Air for air. Students, all of these that we just went through, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8, there's about 40 we went through. The 40, write in your books, practice them. Tomorrow I will give you some more material. We will go through and we'll put some of them with some vocabulary and some stories and get you reading. Students, it's okay if your friends and your family can speak no English at all, no English. Tell them to come watch my YouTube, okay? Lots of love. Goodbye.